Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2019 Ford Escape in an SE trim and powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency with four-wheel drive capabilities, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, we have a spacious cargo area that can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats, and underneath this cover you have your spare with some extra little compartments. Then you have a 12-volt power outlet. And looking into the back, we have comfortable seating for three with a fold-out armrest and two cup holders, as well as a 12-volt power outlet. And this vehicle has a remote start, so no need to go outside to warm up your car. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 121,163 kilometers. Moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left, you have your cruise controls with distance-pacing technology, as well as your controls for your center info screen, where you can cycle through your trip 1 and 2 information, with a digital speedometer, trip odometer, fuel economy, distance to empty, trip timer. And then you also have information such as your auto start stop status, driver alert, four-wheel drive status, my key, and system checks. And then you have settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Moving on, you do also have your lane keeping system on the end of your signal stock. And moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. Moving down, you have your media controls with your hazards, and then your climate controls with dual zone front climate and heated front seats. You have your auto start stop shut off, traction control shut off, and then down here you have a USB and 12-volt power outlet. Then you have your main shifter with select shift on the side so you can manually shift through your gears, two cup holders, parking brake, larger cubby there, and your two-tiered center compartment / armrest with plenty of room inside, including another USB so you can plug something in from there too. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.